two leading platforms in customer management, HubSpot CRM and Freshdesk. Which one really delivers? On the left, HubSpot CRM, the all-in-one suite for sales, marketing, and support. And on the right, Freshdesk, the specialized help desk and support powerhouse. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points. At the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. So here's how we're breaking it down. Take a look at this mind map. Core focus, mobile app, integrations, automation and AI, pricing and value, analytics and reporting, multi-channel support, and unified inbox and ticketing. Yeah, we're leaving no stone unturned. All right, first up, core focus. So HubSpot CRM is kind of like the Swiss Army knife of customer platforms. Seriously, it covers sales, marketing, and support all in one place. If you love having everything under one roof and mapping your whole customer journey, this is where it shines. The only thing, if you just want support, it might feel like using a spaceship to drive on the highway. Now, Freshdesk, super lean and totally streamlined for customer support. Their ticketing flows are like chef's kiss. But yeah, it's not really a full CRM. You'll need some plugins if you want that extra stuff. So, which one feels more complete? It's HubSpot CRM for sure. Next, let's talk mobile apps. You ever need to reply fast, like while you're mid-coffee spill? HubSpot's app lets you handle CRM, marketing, even sales stuff all from your phone. You can edit, manage emails, talk to folks without missing a beat. Only catch? It's not as laser-focused on support actions. Freshdesk, though, is sleek for ticketing. Their custom filters are actually pretty sweet. If all you do is support, this is legit, but it doesn't try to do more than that. Winner here, HubSpot CRM, just for the versatility. Integrations time. Now, if you love connecting every tool under the sun, you're in luck with both. HubSpot's got over 1,500 integrations, and if you're deep in their ecosystem, it just clicks. The only tiny snag, some cool integrations come at higher paid tiers. Freshdesk doesn't fall behind either. Think over 1,000 integrations, and works great with Freshsales, Zoho, you name it. A few fancy extras? You'll need outside tools. But hey, bottom line, both absolutely crush it here. So I'll call it a tie. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Freshdesk actually lets you buy day passes? So say you've got seasonal surges, like during Black Friday or holiday rush. You can just add agents temporarily without blowing up your subscription. Not bad, right? Let's jump to automation and AI. HubSpot is kind of wild. They trigger automations across sales, marketing, and support, plus AI bots to snag those leads for you, which is cool if you're into growth hacking. Just watch out. Some advanced onboarding does require extra fees. Now, Freshdesk's Freddy AI, not gonna lie, it's legit for support. Smart ticket assignment, routing, and bot-driven conversations. Some of the premium tech, though, is tacked on as upgrades. So this one, I'm giving both props. It's a tie. Pricing and value. That's where things get interesting. HubSpot tosses in a free CRM tier, and sure, it bundles sales and marketing if you want to go big, but those pro plans can really hit your wallet, especially once you start onboarding a bigger team. Now, Freshdesk honestly makes things simple. Free for 10 agents, low-cost paid plans, flexible day passes for those who pop in just during busy weeks. The only catch? A few add-ons, like AI, can sneak up in cost. Still, for most folks looking purely for support, Freshdesk is the clear winner here. Analytics and reporting? Okay, get ready, because HubSpot is next level here. You get full analytics across sales, marketing, and support, plus super customizable dashboards. If you want insights, prepare to geek out. But for folks just doing support, it can feel a bit overkill. Freshdesk's reports are super focused. Agent and ticket metrics, easy access to KPIs, not much cross-team analytics, but gets you everything you need for support. Still, overall, HubSpot CRM wins for depth. Next, multi-channel support. HubSpot covers all the basics: email, chat, Facebook, but honestly, it's way more limited compared to Freshdesk. Now, Freshdesk? Wow. It supports everything from WhatsApp, X, Apple Business Chat, Line. It's kind of wild how many channels you can manage, all in one window. Downside? It's more about support than CRM. But if you want to be everywhere your customers hang out, Freshdesk takes the crown. Unified inbox and ticketing. Okay, so HubSpot pulls in messages from all over the place, lets you collaborate with your team, and actually tracks customer status inside your CRM. You get that full context, even if maybe it feels a bit much if you just need quick ticket replies. Freshdesk color codes everything, sorts by priority, and has some cool automations for sorting tickets. But it's more classic help desk, not an integrated customer journey. Either way, if you want total unification, HubSpot CRM is winning here. Let's plot this out and see how both stack up in each category. Looking at the radar chart, HubSpot nails those all-in-one features, while Freshdesk dominates multi-channel support and offers killer pricing for support-heavy teams. So, what's the takeaway? If you want to grow your sales, marketing, and support, all synced in one suite, HubSpot CRM is a beast. But if you just need snappy, scalable support, especially if ticket volumes spike or you want every channel possible, Freshdesk has your back. Different strokes, honestly. Like what you saw? Hit follow for more tech breakdowns. We've got plenty more comparisons coming up this